Today we are going to discuss how to write informative writing. Now let's move to the writing questions. The first writing question is writing 1. Here we should write at least 100 words on a topic. It's a descriptive writing. هي كتابة موضوع وصفي. Informative. For example, here there is a question: do you or anyone you know have an unusual free time activity? Describe the activity, explain what makes it unusual and why it is enjoyable. هنا يجب على الطالب أن يجهز عبارات تصف the topic، الموضوع اللي بيتكلم عنه، من خلال مقدمة واضحة ومنفصلة عن البادي and a body paragraph or 2 paragraphs then a conclusion. يبقى مقدمة وموضوع وختمة. هنا الموضوع descriptive. بعض الطلاب بيستخدموا أسلوب evaluative في كتابة هذا السؤال اللي هو opinion, to write his opinion, but it's not correct. You should give information about the topic. It's informative writing. For example, this is a model answer. We shall start with introduction. عندنا يجب أن نستخدم مقدمة ما. هنا اللي باللون الأصفر دي مقدمة ثابتة ممكن تستخدم. We can use it in any informative or descriptive writing. For example, as a matter of fact, it's very interesting to describe my information about one of the most exciting things, which is دي مقدمة ثابتة. هغير بقى الموضوع بتاعي is talking about my unusual free time activity. يبقى أنا هستخدم التوبيك نفسه my unusual free time activity. What if there are many elements associated with this element? Okay. أما البادي فبستخدم فيه عبارات تصف الموضوع or giving information about it أو تعطي معلومات عنه. For example, my unusual free time activity is beekeeping. Bees are so fascinating. They are tiny little creatures, but they have so many interesting qualities. I like to keep bees in a variety of ways, including keeping them in a small terrarium or a beehive or container. The joy for me is when I can provide bees with a home that mimics their natural habitat as closely as possible, including providing them with food and water sources that are similar to those found in nature. المفروض ان احنا بنستخدم عبارات قصيرة وسهلة ونتجنب الكلمات الصعبة والتركيبات الجرامر المعقدة عشان ما نفقدش درجات. Then the conclusion, we can say finally I can say that. واستخدم التوبيك having unusual hobby or unusual free time activity. نكمل في ختمة ثابتة is very cool thing that helps me to spend my free time in a very funny and entertaining way. ممكن استخدم هذه الختمة أو أي ختمة تاني من الختمات المعتادة، لكن يجب في informative writing وجود مقدمة وبادي وconclusion. introduction, body, conclusion. كما يجب علينا مراجعة الرايتنج عدة مرات قبل تسليم الورقة. Thank you until we meet again. Please subscribe, like and share.